Ever wonder what digital product you should create to showcase your skills, your knowledge, and make $100 a day or more? Stick around because I'm going to give you 5 digital products that you can create and that will make you at least $100 plus a day. Hello, my fabulous coaches, freelancers, aspiring entrepreneurs. My name is Jackie D. McKeever. I'm your favorite Southern coach, and today I'm going to share 5 products you can make at least $100 a day in your business. Now, it doesn't matter whether you're a coach, freelancer, or just looking for ways to make additional income. These methods are for you. So let's get started. The first product is workbooks. Workbooks will provide you with step-by-step guidance. Imagine creating a workbook. Many people create workbooks for projects like building outdoor living spaces. This workbook can be complete with drawing ideas and whatever the requirements outdoor spaces. People love details and actionable guides. Workbooks can be sold anywhere from low to medium to premium or high ticket value because of the value that they provide. The second digital product you can create to make $100 in your business is templates. Templates, you may ask. Yes, templates. Now, I've seen where people created websites, templates, and you generally start at 100 to 3. I've seen them from 100 to $300. There's also Canva templates, and I've seen them as low as $9.99 all the way to $200 based on what's in the package, what's in the bundle of the templates. These are perfect for people who may not be very tech savvy, or they may want to save time in creating and designing things. Templates are great sought after digital products that can help bring you $100 and then some in your business. The third product I'm going to talk about are planners. Digital planners are a great product to create and sell. With more people using digital forms to organize their lives, digital planners are reusable and can be customized to fit your needs. They offer a more up-to-date way of staying on top of your tasks, make your productivity go. And you know that more and more people are, run around with their iPad like this, or instead of the old-fashioned book. The question of the day. Okay, the question of the day is, what topic are you thinking about creating a digital product for? Comment below. I'd love to hear your ideas so we can help you brainstorm. The fourth product that you can make $100 plus a day are eBooks. Let's talk about eBooks. eBooks, the ebook market is booming. Okay, did you hear me? The ebook market is booming. It's estimated at for 2024 in the US as 17.20 billion. Okay, and it's not slowing down anytime soon because researchers expect it to be at least $21.73 billion by 2029. So ebooks can serve multiple purposes in your business. They can serve as lead magnets, tripwires, upsells, core offers, one-time purchases. I've seen a whole lot of ebooks used to build revenues for coaching business. I've actually created a video that you can check out that talks about using an ebook to generate revenue for your coaching business. And I'm going to put it in one of these corners so that you can watch it after this video. It'll also be at the end. The fifth product I'm going to mention in this video is courses. Courses are a great way to share your knowledge, to build testimonies. Whether you, for example, you could be a vegan and you may be somebody that grows your own food. I think that this lady name is Shonda. She's a popular influencer. Her and her boyfriend, she's a vegan and she grows her own food. And she's actually created a physical product, but you can create a digital product such as a course, an ebook, or any of the things that I mentioned previously, where you show how to save money, how to grow your own food so that you can ensure that you're able to maintain your vegan lifestyle and generate a significant income, because you're sharing in-depth learning experiences, the highs and lows of being a vegan. And courses can be sold anywhere from low ticket to medium ticket to high ticket. So if you want more in-depth, step-by-step guidance, I want to suggest that concerning sales funnels or tripwires, I suggest that you sign up for my free Tripwire Sales Funnel Series. It's designed to help you create irresistible offers that convert. You want to click the link that can be found in the resource section in the description of this video below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss the next video, because we're building empires together. See you next time.